Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to undo a repost on X. So first of all, of course, open X application on your phone and then tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, and let's go to profile. So please make sure that you're in the tab with your posts, and here you want to find specific post that you reposted, and you have to tap repost icon under the post itself. This is two arrows in square icon, and finally select option undo repost. As you have seen, the post immediately removes from my profile, and that means that I undid a repost. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.